Today's rapidly changing threat environment and the pace of technology demand faster decision-making and immediate access to actionable data. No longer can the U.S. acquire bespoke space and ground systems or sensor processing hardware. Time is of the essence. At Lockheed Martin, we believe a new way of sharing and processing data is required, one we're calling the Space Data Transport Tapestry. Imagine a space-based backbone for System of Systems networking that will enable the first-ever connection of diverse space assets in multiple orbits, all communicating and synthesizing data on orbit and autonomously routing via distributed paths to where it is needed. Imagine faster, more efficient, and more resilient data transport for a variety of national security, civil, and commercial uses. Let's examine a missile defense tip-and-cue example and consider how the Space Data Transport Tapestry could change the game in defending against a hypersonic missile threat. A U.S. missile warning satellite in GEO observes the flare of hypersonic missile launching. Time is of the essence. An enhanced GPS satellite with a MEO transport layer secondary payload enables the passage of cueing information from the warning satellite in GEO to other missile tracking satellites in MEO using cross-orbit and in-plane crosslinks. As the hypersonic missile travels, the MEO missile tracking satellites maintain custody of the threat and provide real-time tracking data via MEO to LEO crosslinks to the Space Development Agency's LEO transport layer. The LEO transport layer autonomously routes the tracking data to multiple fire control satellites in LEO via crosslinks. That synthesized targeting data is sent via transport layer satellites directly to land and sea-based weapon systems such as Aegis or other platforms armed with glide phase interceptors, or GPI. In terrestrial operation centers, our military forces receive processed targeting data to determine defensive courses of action. In this case, a GPI missile. The decision made, the GPI intercepts and destroys the hypersonic missile threat. Mission success, all enabled by a space data transport tapestry that allowed our forces to turn inside the adversary threat at the speed of battle. This short vignette is but one of the benefits of a space data transport tapestry. Imagine downlinking high bandwidth ISR data where it's needed, routing satellite TT&C through trusted and secure gateways, coordinating local network responses to on-orbit threats, real-time space object mapping and characterization from various angles, interfacing with assets that can orchestrate continually between space sensors and terrestrial strike assets and command centers. Contests are won or lost based on access to timely data synthesized into actionable information. At Lockheed Martin, we believe extending our work on the Space Development Agency's transport layer tranches 0 and 1 beyond low Earth orbit and into a multi-orbit space data transport tapestry will be one of the keys to staying ahead of an ever-accelerating adversary.